Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to explain how you can copy the font style in your designs, logos and projects on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your design with text, for example, here on Canva. So let me show you this example text here. So as you can see, these three text lines are different or distinct from each other. That one here has a different font color. It has italic letters, and there's also, that's basically the difference. So if you'd like to apply that to other texts, what you want to do, guys, is double click into it, select the copy font style button in the top right. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-C or Command-Alt-C if you're using a Mac, and that's how it works in 2026. Click into it, and then you will see the style copied. Select to apply. So the cursor will switch to that appearance. So click into the other text with your left mouse, and that is going to apply the text style. You will find it, for example, here in the top. Of course, you can copy that style, or you can use that copy style button not only for texts but also for other elements, but I use it mainly for text to apply the same text formatting without applying the formatting one by one with the italic letters, bold letters, font style, color, size, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.